This is coffee machine system. It has three choice. Choice 1 coffee, choice 2 mocha, choice 3 latte, and sensor coffee, sensor milk. Weight sensor for the cup specification 0.5 volt per 0.1 liter. So choice 1 coffee sensor coffee 2.5 volt and sensor milk 0 volt. LED coffee will turn on. Choice 2 mocha sensor volt must be 2 volt, sensor milk 0.5 volt. LED mocha will turn on. Then choice 3 latte sensor coffee 1 volt and sensor milk 1.5 volt to LED latte turn on. Hello everyone. This is bottling system. It has three indicators as low, half and full for the water coming into the bottle. When the bottle comes in, sensor volt turn into 1 volt because of the weight sensor, and bottle and LED low will turn on. Then LED half will turn on and sensor volt becomes 2 volt because of weight sensor. Water comes in. After that, sensor volt turn 3 volt and LED full will turn on